the phonics sound of the alphabet.
In this song, we're going to practice the sounds that letters make. Are you ready? Let's go!
A. Apple. Apple.
B. Ball. Ball.
C. Cat. Cat.
D. Dog. Dog.
Apple.
Ball.
Cat.
Dog.
E. Elephant. Elephant.
F. Frog. Frog.
G. Guitar. Guitar.
H. Hat. Hat.
Elephant.
Frog.
Guitar.
Hat.
I. Igloo. Igloo.
J. Jump. Jump.
K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
L. Lion. Lion.
Igloo.
Jump.
Kangaroo.
Lion.
M. Monkey. Monkey.
N. Nurse. Nurse.
O. Octopus. Octopus.
P. Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Monkey.
Nurse.
Octopus.
Pumpkin.
Q. Queen. Queen.
R. Rocket. Rocket.
S. Snake. Snake.
T. Train. Train.
Queen.
Rocket.
Snake.
Train.
U. Umbrella. Umbrella.
V. Violin. Violin.
W. Watch. Watch.
X. Box. X. Box.
Umbrella.
Violin.
Watch.
X. Box.
Y. Yellow. Yellow.
Z. Zebra. Zebra.
Yellow.
Zebra. And that is the end of the song.
Yay! I know you enjoy watching the video. And this time we are going to make a little review. Let's see what picture is this. A for airplane. Say it with me. A for airplane. Very good. And the next one I have here, B for ball. B for ball. Very good. And the next one I have here, letter C for cake. C for cake. Good job. And how here another one, letter D for duck. D for duck. Good job. The next one I have here, letter E for egg. E for egg. Very good. Good job. Hello kids. It's worksheet time. Can you find this page? Page number 10. And we are going to do together. Ready? Here we go. Teacher Lynn will help you. We're going to say the words of the letters. And then we are going to match to its corresponding small letters with its pictures. Ready? Get your pencils ready and we are going to start now. Letter A. The sound is A or A. B, B, C, K, D, D, and letter E, E. Yay! We're going to find out the letter A. A for airplane. A for airplane. Where is it? Airplane. There you are. There you are. Airplane. So we are going to match big letter A to the small letter A. Yay. Yeah? Next one is the letter B. B for B, 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 B for ball. Very good. We made it. B for ball. Match it. And the next one is letter C. C for, I love to eat this one, cake. Going to match it now. Match with the small letter C. And the next one is letter D. D for duck. Yay! D for duck. D, duck, duck, duck. That's it. All right. And the last one is letter E for an egg. Yay! We made it to the last one. All right? Very good. I know you enjoyed today with our letter sound. Thank you for listening with me. I had a wonderful time with you. I hope you had a great time this weekend with your family. And now, it's time to say goodbye. See you next week. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, 4. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, I had fun today. I had